In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the Microsoft Defender Smartscreen prevented an unrecognized app from starting issue. Let's get started. First, when you see the warning, click on More Info. Then you will be given an option to run anyway. Click on that and you should be able to open the app. However, to make sure that does not happen again in the future, we need to adjust a few settings. For that, search for Windows Security, launch the option. Now head over to the section Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection, you're going to find the option Manage Settings. Click on that. Then scroll all the way down and click on the option Add or Remove Exclusions. Then select Add an Exclusion and choose File. Now navigate to the app you want to run and select the file. This will add the app to the list of exclusions, ensuring that it's not blocked in the future by Microsoft Defender Smartscreen. Now you are all set to run your app without any interruptions, and you have made a permanent fix for future use. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.